Hello and welcome back. You've been listening to Professional Website Development using Joomla 2.5 course. This is lesson 3. In this lesson, we will learn about how to define categories in the category manager for our professional website. So, I think in terms of showing you the contents, we first need to understand a note. So, you may want to go through that. Alright, so I think most of this contains practicals. So let me just go to the Joomla backend. If you go to the Joomla backend, in order to define the categories, you should go to contents and then category manager. Alright, so click on that. What you may want to do it is add a new category. Now before I add a new category, I go back to my specifications document. As I explained you previously, specifications document, that's how comes very handy. So I go back to my specifications document, and that's where I have noted down the categories that I was planning to define. So these are the categories that I'm planning to define. So I will simply copy each of these categories and define new ones. As simple as that. So it saves me a lot of time and headaches to think on the fly. Alright, so click on the new button, and here I say the title as online training. The alias, you can give your own alias, or the system will generate automatically an alias which will be online dash training. As simple as that. Now metadata have option. These helps the search engine to search the contents of your website. So I simply give the same thing as of now to make it very simple. Is there a parent out here? So what you may want to do as of now, to make it easy, I think we should better define a parent. Okay, so I say, before I go ahead and define this, let me just quickly do this. Let me just define a parent, and which is called as www dot free oracle training.com. This is my parent. Okay, that way I can associate all the categories within my one website. So assuming that if you've got multiple subdomains within one domain, then it's easier way to control your categories. So everything will be for this website, the categories that I'm planning to define. So simply copy this. You can optionally give a description out here. Okay, set your accesses, but at the moment I simply make it very simple. I gave the name meta option. Status is published, means that this category has been published and is accessible. Okay, and I say save and new. Alright, so look at this. So now let's go and start with defining our category from here. Say online training. It asks for a parent. That's where you choose this parent so that all these categories will belong to one place. Rest everything, as I explained you previously, the status access remains public, so let it be as it is for as far as this demonstration is concerned. Again, define rest of the categories in a similar way. So let me just do that very quickly. I define all the main categories, then I will come to the subcategory. Okay, so if you notice here, as soon as I'm adding these categories as this as my parent, freeoracletrainings.com, it is adding at the bottom as children. Okay, let me just expand this to show you a little more in a better way. So look at these, it's coming as children whatever I'm doing. So that's the whole idea of defining this as the main category. Okay, so just go in the same way, then save and new, then my account, same process, search, Now I will go one by one defining the subcategories. Okay, so this is my subcategory. I want to associate where? I want to associate within online training. Okay, then I say Oracle. Again, online training. Subscribe. Look at this. Now there is a tree structure that is forming. www.freeoracletrainings.com, then online training, Joomla, Oracle. Did you see that? Let me just show you. Hold on a minute and let me enlarge you and show you. Okay, look at this. The tree structure, how it is forming. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then these are the parents again. So that's how it works. Okay. Alright, so again online training. Save and new. Now these three categories for policies. Go to about us and policies, save and new. And then this one, partners. And then it goes into about us category. About us. About us, contact us. Did we define contact us? Anyway, save and close, and then we can see the structure of the categories if we missed anything. Alright. So if you can, by default it displays only turn 20. You can say all, so it displays everything in one place so that you don't have to struggle. Now go down and see the contact us. By chance it has gone here, so you can always change it. And it should be going where? It should be going to about us. So save and close. So now you will have the correct structure out here. Okay, look at this. So this is your complete category structure that you have planned in your specifications document. Now let's go back to the presentation to see what else is there. So that's the whole agenda of this course, that how to define a category in a category course. So what we have done it is we have already planned the categories in the specifications document. So we have copied the categories from specification document, then we've gone to our Joomla backend, defined categories using category manager, and then we created a kind of a tree for all our categories. So that concludes this lesson. Thank you very much, and I will continue in the next class. Goodbye.